Connection established.
Access granted.
This is our presentation, how to clean the cause of death. Clean the raw data provided. Then, mine it using RapidMiner Studio. Use RapidMiner to extract useful knowledge from these data files. Yung mga sinend nyo ma'am na exe files, dun kami kukuha. These are raw data from 2011, 2015 from unknown town. This means that you have to clean and consolidate the data first before data mining. The data is stored in different spreadsheets. You have to combine all data into one file before loading into RapidMiner. In analyzing the cause of death, we use the scatter bubble as the plot type. The most common cause of death from sample set is respiratory failure, ranging with the number of 1 up to 1,350 people dying from it. And the cause of follows in CRA sec to cap, ranging with the number of 1 up to 1 people dying. In analyzing the classification, we also use scatter bubble as a plot type. The most common disease is respiratory and cardiovascular with the number of people from 100 to 350 and follow the cancer, then follow the enduring disease from 1,300 number of dying person. Analyze the occupation, we use again the scatter bubbles as a plot type. Most of occupation of the same people that dying from different disease is housekeeper, retired, and teacher. In analyzing the place of residence, we use scatter bubble as a blood type to find out where the people who die mostly from various disease live. With the result, we found out the Nagirangan is the most place of residence wherein most people died with the different diseases.
In analyzing the date of death, we use scatter bubble as our basis of result. So the year that most of the people died from the sample is year 2010. So the second, the gender of the people died, we use scatter bubble as the plot type to have the result, and the result is equal. So both male and female have the same number of the people who died. So next, in analyzing the status of the people who died from the different diseases, we use scatter bubble as the plot type, and the result is most of the people are either widowed, married, or single, because that three status has all the equal number. So the time of death of the samples, we use scatter bubbles as the plot type. The result of the time of death is 8.6805, which are most of the people died that time.